Okay, this is a range example of the RaiderVision system by Compound Security. There are 3 cameras on this part of the site here, and there are more at the top of the site, all linked to one control system which is at the top of the site. So here we go.
Yeah, especially because it's not live.
Halfway there. Time to stop for petrol soon. Yeah, keep going. A little bit more. Here we are, where the other cameras are, just over here on the second part of the Kelly site. Let's see you do that with one control system videofied. Compound Security RaiderVision. Why would you use anything else?